Okay. Hi guys. Good afternoon. Am I audible, guys? Sorry. So can anyone tell me what we discussed in the last class? Anyone? Five operations. What kind of five operations? Yes, finally look and okay. I already told you the throws keyword, right? And I gave the example here, right? About the account details, right? If you want to withdraw some money, then it will show you the withdrawal amount the the balance amount also. Okay, by deducting the withdrawal amount. Okay, if I will if I want to withdraw a more amount than my balance, then it will show you an exception. That is my insufficient balance exception, right? Okay, so let me move forward with my next session, that is multi-threading. What is multi-threading? Can anyone tell me? Let me see. Can anyone tell me what is multi-threading? So before that, we need to know that what is multitasking. So multitasking, if I want to execute or doing multiple tasks simultaneously, is called as multitasking, right? If a user wants to do multiple tasks simultaneously, it is called multitasking, right? It is two types, that is thread-based multitasking and process-based multitasking. Okay. Before that, we need to know there are two types of multitasking. Okay, what are those? Those are thread-based and process-based, right? Okay, these are the multitasking. Okay. So what is process-based multitasking? This multitasking means if I want to execute multiple processes simultaneously, it is called as process-based multitasking, right? If I want to execute, yes, if I want to execute multiple processes simultaneously, it is called as multitasking. So it is heavyweight because it is multiple. We are going to execute the multiple process. That's why it is heavyweight process. So what is thread based then? What is thread based here? executing multiple threads simultaneously is called as thread-based tasking. Got my point? If I want to execute the multiple process, then it is called process-based. And if I want to execute the thread, it is called as a thread-based multitasking. Okay. This is heavyweight because we are going to create a multiple process, but it is lightweighted because it will also going to create a multiple thread, not process. The difference between process and thread. If I will go with the process, then multiple program will be there, but in thread, multiple program will be there, but it will executed simultaneously and it will not applicable to the user and to the JVM also. Okay, so I will tell you what is multi-threading. Before that, you need to know what is thread. What is thread? It is a lightweight sub-process. Got my point? Lightweight sub-process. That's why it is a sub-process, right? Thread is a sub-process. That's why people called it as a lightweight. Got my point? Process is weight or heavyweight, but it is a part of thread is a part of process. It means it is a small part of the process. So this lightweight. Got my point? You can say it is a lightweight sub-process in Java. We achieve multitasking by using the multi-threading. Got my point? Internally in Java programming, it will create three threads. Okay. Let me know who will create the um, who will create the thread. Can anyone tell me who will create the thread? Who will create the thread? Can anyone tell me? So thread will created by the JVM. By the JVM. Okay. So internally it is present. Three threads are present. One is main thread. Okay. First one is main thread. Second one is thread scheduler. Third one is GC thread, right? Yes, GC thread. GC thread means garbage collector. Okay. Garbage collector. But my point, these three threads are present. Yes, sorry. JVM will create internally. Okay. JVM will create internally. These three. Okay. Yeah, I already told you. When the Java program will execute, the JVM will create three threads. So that is main thread, thread scheduler, and garbage collector, right? Yes. One more thing is that in Java, threads are independent. It is independent. No need. The threads don't depend on any other with others, right? Got my point? Is an every thread will maintain separate stack memory and it will not affect the another thread execution. Got my point? Each and every thread, once again, each and everything. If we will create a separate stack memory, it means if I want to create only one thread, then it will create a memory location, stack memory location. If I want to create second thread or in the same class, then it will create also another another memory location. Got my point? If any problem occurred in a one thread, it will not affect to the another thread education. Got my point? That's why it will create another stack memory location. So in Java, we can create a thread in two ways. What are those? Those are the two ways we can create. thread. Okay, these are by extending thread class and by implementing the runnable interface. Got my point. These are the two ways we can create the thread by extending the thread class or by implementing the runnable interface. Okay, so you have to remember these things. And one more thing you have to remember when thread is going to waiting stage, we will get thread interrupted exception. When okay, make let us know. Okay, this is okay. When thread is going to waiting stage, I will show you the stage also. What are the stage we have in the thread? It means I will tell you the architecture. Okay. So when the thread is going to waiting stage, we will get what we will get. We will get we will get one exception that is thread interrupted interrupted exception. Okay, got my point. And one more thing is that so this is this is what this is a checked exception. Okay, I already told you what is checked and unchecked exception. Okay. So one more thing you have to remember, this is important thing. This is important. Save method is static method in the thread class. Okay. Okay, got my point. This is the important thing. Okay, got my point. Okay. So let me give you an example by using the thread. Anyone have doubt till now? Let me create a thread, which is my thread. Okay, and it. Um, okay, let me create a demo. Demos present, right? Oh, example. Okay. So, so let me create a class. So my class is my thread. We create my thread class, which extends thread. Okay. Okay. So let me override. See, thread is present already. Okay. So extend the thread. So in the thread we have our run method. So let me override the run method here. Override the run method, right? Public void deployment run method. Under this, let me write something. So, mm, okay, let me run something for loop. Need to use the for loop into I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 5 I plus plus. Okay. Mm, after that, under this for loop, let me write something. Let me print system.out.println all and we print that is child and with plus I. Okay, so after that, let me create one. Hmm, okay, so let me create some. Uh, let me create some thread sleep. I want to sleep this thread. See, I want to execute this. So it will execute it one, two, three. Oh, sorry, it will execute from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5. It will execute it. Okay, it will create child one, child two. These things it will execute it, right? But if I want to see, first of all, it will print a child and one. Okay, after 10 seconds, after some seconds, it will print another type, another argument like child with two. If I want to do this, then I should use the sleep method here. Okay, so I already told you the sleep method is static method in the threads class. Okay, so how can I call this? How can I call this? By using the class name, right? Dot sleep, right? Say I got the sleep. Duration, right? Duration and bullet. Okay, let me put some value here. Let me concentrate. Okay, let me type. See, I'm getting the error. Why I'm getting the error? Because because it will create an interrupted exception. That's why I'm getting the error. So I need to how to get the error by using the triangle explore. So surrounding with the triangle explore. So my point, got it? Got my point? Okay. So what are the what is the exception I got? Interrupted exception, right? Right? So no need to print these things. So okay. So what should I do now? I should have to create here some value by using the class name my, right? My thread t equal to name my thread of okay. See here I will create the thread here. Okay, I will create a new thread, right? New thread is created, right? Sure. So what should I do now? I need to start, right? By using the T reference, I need to call this. See, I got the stat. Yes, I got the stat, right? T dot stat. It means it will new thread is started. Okay. So now what should I do now? Let me print something here. By using the for loop, I need to print something here like this. Okay. Control C and Control B. Okay. Here I need to use main. Okay. This is my main method. Okay. So I print here main method. Okay. So here I need to use the sleep method. So what should I do now? By using the thread dot sleep. Okay. Let me put some value here that is 100. Okay. See, I'm getting the error because of I didn't use the try and catch block. Yes, we can throw the exception also and by using the try and catch block also. Okay. Okay. Got my point. Got my point. So let me run this. What I will get here. Let me do this. Okay. So let me run this. And thing is the hardware that is to it is 1000. That is 1000. I already saved this one, right? My main method is there, right? Anything mistake I did, less than equal to, right? Plus here also. Okay. See, I'm getting main 2, main 3, main 5. And after that, some seconds, I will get the child to child. See, if I run this again, then what I will get? Just see, if I run this again, then I will get, see, every time it will change this. See, 4 and 5. Every time it will change this. It's not changing, but it will changes. After some time, it will changes, right? Because how many times I will get the answer if I want to run this program, then it will change this automatically because it's such thread. It will change this after some time. It will change this. You just try with this, then you will get the answer. How it is changes. Okay, perfect. So this is thread based program. Okay. So also one more thing you have to remember. Let me make one note here. Let me make one note here. So we we should not call the start method twice by using the same thread reference. Got my point? If I write, then what I will get? I will get exception. What kind of exception I will get? Well, yes, exception will occur. Exception will occur if I write. Okay, if I write start method twice, then I will get a exception. Got my point? Okay. One more thing you have to remember. I already told you. Every thread have the budget that medium. I already told you, right? Got my point? So let me show you by using the run label. Okay, by using the run label, yes, let me examine failure attendance also. And let me create some one class. See, I told you about this. This is my class, and I extend the thread class. Okay, thread is a class here. So I extend the thread class by using this thread, by using the extends keyword. So now I will show you how we will do it by implementing the table interface. So class my thread one, which implements enable. Okay, under this, mhm, under this, what I do now? See, runnable is a, it is a, okay, I will show you. Okay, not now, I will show you. So let me override the run method here. Let me override the run method here. Public void run. Okay, under this, I need to write, what should I write now? I need a loop here. So by using this loop, I need to print the value int I equal to 1 I less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Okay, after that I need to enter system dot out dot println of. Can you see my screen, guys? What happened? Can you see my screen? Can anyone tell me? Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible, guys? Hello, hello. Okay then. Fine. This is one now. Okay, so I need to use what? Here dot split method, right? 250, 250 times. So I need giant case block. Okay, okay. So mhm. So now what should I do here? What should I do here? I need to create one object for this class. Okay, t equal to new ts1 of. Okay, so if I will write t dot stat, I will get the error. Why? Can anyone tell me why I'm getting the error? It's showing the create method start in the type of th1 because runnable is a functional interface which has only and which have only one abstract method. Got my point? Got my point? This is only an abstract method. Got my point? That's why showing to create a start method in the ts1 class. Okay, so we can't write this. Okay, so what should I do now? If I will create thread dot, sorry, by using the thread class, if I create one, give one equal to new thread of, then I didn't get an error. Why? Because thread is already internally present in the, which is already present in the JVM also. Okay, so no need to write those things. Sorry, by using the thread class, we can create a object for every class. Okay, so can I call by using the T1 method? reference start method, start, right? Start, right? We can call. Got my point? Here, the new thread is started. Got my point? Got my point. By using this in data start, I will get a compile time error. Why I'm getting the compile time error? Understand, guys? Understand? Okay. Okay. So if I will learn this code, then I will get child. Okay. So let me run this program. See what I do now. I didn't call this method, right? Method. Yeah. Okay. Let me run this second. Okay. 250. See, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I didn't get the child here. I didn't get the child here. Why? Because I didn't call this. And by using the runnable, I can use it. See, see, I use the thread class here to run this main method, not do this. Okay, so I didn't get any answer here. I got the main method only. Got my point? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? Okay. So we give you an assignment. What kind of assignment I need to give you? Assignment is your to difference between method and type. So this is your assignment. Okay. So you need to complete this. Okay, so this is your assignment. Okay. You need to complete this by tomorrow. Okay, got my point. This is your assignment. Okay. So I already told you what is the difference between run and start also. Okay. So this is your assignment. You need to complete this. Okay. 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 difference you should write. Okay. So one more note you have. ହଁ ମୋର 5G ଅଛି ନବୁ କି? Hello, am I audible, guys? Hello, hello, am I audible now? Hello. Okay. So one second. Okay, so uh, one more note you have to remember. So one more note you have to remember. What is this note? If if we want to if we want to call the run method and one second. Hello. Yes. The on the thread object, the thread object, it is not not recommended. It's not recommended to go for the multi-threading because because it it asks it asks like a it asks it asks like a what or normal non-static non-static method present in the got my point. You have to remember these things. If you want to call it on the thread object, it is not recommended to go for the multi-threading because it's act as a non-static method present in the class. See, okay, so let me move forward with the life cycle of thread. The life cycle of thread. So there are there are 5 stages included in a life cycle thread. What are those? Those are those are first one is burn or new. Second one is renewable. 1 second. Now, okay. So first one is burn and new. Second one is third one is running on the running stage. Uh, Fourth one is terminated, and fifth one is wait. Okay. So these are the five stages included in the life cycle of thread. I will show you how it works, the architecture. Okay. Let me draw something here. Mhm. So one second, let me write something first. So first one is mine, burn or new, right? Burn or new. After that, I will have renewable, right? After that, I have renewable. After that, I have running. After that, I have running, and after that, dead or terminated. Dead or terminated. Okay. So now here I will have wait. Okay. Wait stays is there. Okay. So let me draw something here. So this is my burn and new. This is my renewable. This is my running. This is my wait. This is my dead and terminated. Okay. Okay. So first of all, it will go to the renewable state. First of all, it will create. Okay. First of all, it will create or new, born or new. Then after it will go to the renewable. Or after that, it will go to the running statement. If my education is successfully got the answer, then it will go to the dead or terminated. If my execution will is done, if my execution getting any error or exception, then it will go to the wait statement. It has to wait, and after that it will go to the runnable state again. Again, it will go to the running. If it will get error, then it will come to the wait statement. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, guys. So I will tell you the life cycle tomorrow. Okay. So till now, anyone have doubt? Just read this. I will tell you the tomorrow the life cycle of thread. Okay. So till now, anyone have doubt? Let me check. You completed your attendance. Four member. Sahana is present. Silence assistant. Okay. Okay, then fine. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then we will discuss in tomorrow, or else we will discuss in the group. Okay. Okay then. So till now, have a good day. Thank you so much for joining.